Hello everyone, and this is Douglas, and welcome back to A Gardener's Notebook. Well, today we're just out here doing a few quickie jobs before the rains come, hopefully. This Mexican sage here has been going really well and given us several starts, one of which I just planted out here in this bed. It looks pretty healthy. A little leggy because of the lack of sun, but I think it'll take off nicely here because it's right nearby that one over there. We tried to plant some water lettuce that had roots on it. We'll see if it comes. I've never really had much success with that, but it's worth a try. I was going to start cutting back our roses, which we usually do in January, but I see that they're already throwing off tons of growth, so I think I'm going to forego a heavy prune this season and just let them do what they want to do and see what we get. I'll do some pruning, light pruning as we move into the season, but no cut back to where they look like little shorn sheep this year. These are some tomato seedlings, actually, that we just stuck a half a tomato in here, which we have had success with doing, something that's too far gone in the kitchen. And sure enough, I see some coming up now, and actually this is our cutting of our string of dolphins as well. We'll see if we can get more of those. Looks like both this one and the small one here are starting to take off. This volunteer tomato happened here in the spot in the backyard. We planted some succulents that we got on the garden tour back in April, and I guess in my compost I had some tomato seeds, and sure enough they're taking off. I don't know if we'll get the fruit or not. I'm seeing flowers, but probably won't do much until the heat comes on a little later in the year. Another transplant that we got from a neighbor, I believe. This Aeonium is far outgrown this spot. It's probably quintupled in size. I actually see some pups, some florets coming out in the middle too. So we'll have to see where we're going to put him in the garden. As happens with our first strain every year, our bulbs are coming out. These are probably the paper whites. They're usually the first ones to arise here in this bed. We have daffodils, we have snowflakes, and over there, let's see him popping up. There's some freesia popping up here. Almost all these bulbs came from the previous owners, and we just kept them going. I planted some more daffodils in the garden, about 150 over the years, and they usually put on a good show. And finally, as we all know, entropy happens to everything, and this lovely wind chime that was a gift from our friend has a habit of shedding its shells here. So I just ended up putting about 10 or 12 of them back onto their wires, and you can see we have hopefully have rain coming, so we are all ready for the winds, which are already here today. So that's it in our garden today. Hope you're having a wonderful time in your garden, or if you're in the winter areas, planning for next year.